Good evening, children. Today my topic is circle. In my previous video you have learned about locus. I explained each and every point which is given in your syllabus, ICSE बोर्ड और CBSE बोर्ड. आज मैं सर्कल स्टार्ट करने जा रही हूँ और अपने स्तर से तुम्हें समझाने के लिए हर एक पॉइंट को मैंने टच किया है. यहाँ इस तरह से 22 टर्म को कलेक्ट की हूँ और ये सभी को मैं एक्सप्लेन करने जा रही हूँ. सर्किल स्टार्ट करने के पहले ये सभी चीज़ों को जानना ज़रूरी है. हर टर्म से तुम्हें परिचित होना ज़रूरी है. सर्कल एक्चुअल वे इट इज स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम क्लास 8 and just in that class definition and some terms are given, and after that in ninth class all definition and explanations are given, and in 10th class major applications are given related with the circle. But circle you can solve of 10th class only when each and every concept is clear, basic things are clear. That's why I am going to start absolutely from the base and beginning from circle. What is circle? As already I explained in locus, the locus of a moving point P, such that each and every point of the path are equidistant from a fixed point at a fixed distance. That means the moving point का वो पाथ जहाँ each and every point किसी खास बिंदु से समान दूरी पर पड़ता हो, तो इस खास बिंदु को हम सेंटर कहते हैं. और ये जो इक्वल डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम ईच एंड एवरी पॉइंट इट इज एट इक्वल डिस्टेंसेस, दैट इज द रेडियस. ये जो इक्वल डिस्टेंस है इसको रेडियस कहते हैं. इक्वल डिस्टेंस को रेडियस एंड ये सेंटर, ये कहलाया सेंटर. इस तरह से तुम सर्कल तो भली भांति अब समझ गए होगे. लोकस में भी मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया और यहाँ भी एक बार एक्सप्लेन किया. द सर्कल एंड सेंटर, द फिक्स्ड पॉइंट ऑफ द सर्कल इज सेंटर and the fixed distance is radius. This one is radius and this point O is center. Circumference is the boundary of circle is circumference. It is circumference. And after circumference your chord. I am explaining to chord. Chord is defined as any 2 point of the circumference joining any 2 point of circumference of the circle is chord. Joining any 2 point of circumference, we can join from there also, like this also. Any 2 point of circumference, joining it, then this line segment is chord. Circumference के किसी भी 2 point को join करते हैं तो उस line segment को हम chord कहते हैं. ये chord हुआ. Now chord is clear. Then diameter. The chord of circle passing through the center. Any chord, that means the line segment joining any 2 points of this circle passing through the center is called diameter. That means the biggest chord of the circle is called diameter. All diameters are a chord, but all chords are not a diameter. Biggest chord we can say a diameter. Now your diameter is clear. Circumference, diameter. Interior point. There are infinite number of points around the circle, inside the circle, outside the circle, on the circumference of the circle. All those points which is inside the circle, are called interior point. And all the point which is fixed in outside of the circle it is called exterior point. Outside of the circle. Now interior point, exterior point completed, and some points are on the boundary of circumference. That joining all that point is a circumference. Okay. Exterior point, interior point over. Now concentric circle. Concentric circle two or more than two circles have their common center. It is called concentric circle. Then all these circles are concentric circles. First number, 2 number, 3 number, 4th number, all 4 circles are concentric circle. Definition once again: 2 or more than 2 circles have their common center. Is called concentric circle. I hope all concept step by step you are clear. This is concentric circle. Now equal circle. How to define 2 circles are equal? The 2 circles have equal radius. 2 circles have their radius are equal. 2 circles have their equal radius called equal circle. Both are equal, congruent. Congruent also we can say in geometrical language. Both circles are congruent. If two or more than 2 circles also we can take, their radii are equal, they are called equal circles or congruent. Similar we cannot say, because similar means only equal in shape, but not in size. And if shape and size both are equal, that is congruent and equal. That means both radii are same. That means this both are equal circle. In geometrical language, both are congruent. It is concentric circle. Now concentric circle is clear. Your concentric circle, equal circle also clear. Circumscribed circle. Circumscribed circle, that means circle which passes through all the vertices of a polygon. A circle which passes through, suppose a polygon, I have drawn any polygon, suppose pentagon. Suppose a pentagon is drawn. And a circle passing through all the vertices of pentagon, A, B, C, D, E. A circle passing through all the vertices of the pentagon. In the same way, a circle passing through all the vertices of the triangle, it is called circumscribed circle. That means a circle passing through all the vertices of the polygon, any polygon, triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, any polygon you can take, is called circumscribed circle. And the center of that circumscribed circle is called circumcenter. This one is called circumcenter. There also this one is circumcenter. This is circumcenter. Circumcircle, circumcenter over. Now inscribed circle. That means a circle passing through all the sides of a polygon. Suppose I am taking one polygon, means quadrilateral. Taking one quadrilateral. Now a circle passing through all the sides of this A, B, C, D, and center is C. Then a circle passing through all the sides. It is passing through AB, BC, DC and DA. Then the circle passing through all the sides of a polygon, quadrilateral, is called inscribed circle. And center of that inscribed circle is in center. It is called in center. Now your inscribed circle in center. Over second topic. सभी छोटी छोटी टर्म्स को हमने एक्सप्लेन किया है सर्कल के लिए, ताकि जो भी मेजर थिंग या माइनर थिंग आता है तुम्हें समझ में आ जाए एप्लीकेशन में भी. 15th नंबर, आर्क. व्हाट इज आर्क? आर्क इज suppose I am drawing one circle, then a part of a circumference, whole boundary of circle is circumference, and now a part of circumference, just like this one AB. This AB is called arc. It is an arc. It is called arc. Now you can see, suppose in the mean I am giving A, B, this point is P and this point is Q. Then we can see APB is bigger portion of circumference, bigger part, and AQB is a smaller part. ये जो है वो बड़ा पार्ट है और ये छोटा पार्ट हो जा रहा है circumference का. That also we can divide in the definition of major arc and minor arc. this bigger one, APB, this arc is called major arc, and AQB is called minor arc. It is a minor arc. In this way, the circumference is divided in two parts, major arc and minor arc. Second thing is your semicircle. Semicircle. Half of the circle, semicircle, semicircle is half of the circle is a semicircle. Half of any circle is a semicircle. Center, radius, all are same. The radius is same. This portion is a semicircle. It is semicircle. When minor arc and major arc both are same, that time it is called semicircle. Minor arc and major arc both will be same. It is semicircle. Semicircle over. Now segment. Segment. Suppose 2 points I am taking in the circle, joining this 2 points. This line segment is called, already I have explained, and AB, APB is arc. Then the portion between chord and arc of the circle, this is called segment. We can see there that circle is divided in two parts. The whole portion, whole area is divided in two portions. Two portion, this portion also there and down also. Now the above, that means APB, all this portion is called major segment. It is called major segment. Major segment. And this smaller one is called minor segment. In this way, the segments are, there are two types of segments, one minor segment and this one is major segment. When the whole circle area is divided in two parts, then the portion between the chord and arc, if it is a smaller one, then it is minor segment, and for bigger one it is major segment. Understood? Definition? I hope your concept is clear. Now 20 number is a sector. 20 number is a sector. Suppose a circle, there is center, and I am taking any two radius, R1 and R2, and a part of circumference A, P, A, B, C. Then the whole region, all this region included between two radii of circle and arc. This all portion, all this region is called sector of the circle. Is called sector of the circle. The region bounded by an arc, and two radii of the circle is called sector. It is called sector. That time there will be given one angle theta also in applications. But again in this the diagram we can see the upper portion also. If one angle theta is there, then other angle like this also, theta 2. Then the region bounded by the two radii and bigger arc, that is called the major sector, and smaller bounded by a smaller arc, it is called minor sector. That means this bigger portion is called, this one included with angle theta 2, it is your major sector. Major sector, this one, and it is a minor sector. Minor sector. Like this 22 terms I explained for circle, and after this your theorems will be started. So after this video, it is part 1 only for introduction of all terms I explained. I hope you understood also, and in second part I will explain theorems. Circle is long chapter, so try to understand each concept very nicely, and you can discuss with me. Those students who are understanding properly, you can put your response, then will be clear how many students are understanding or not. And you can ask also, if any question arises in your mind, can ask also in comment box or my WhatsApp group.